a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
What is going on, guys? Justin here, OVO update, back again with another video, and today we're getting into the weekly update, week number 6, whole lot of sixes, and today we have another great episode. So in last week's episode, we left it off with the Scary Hours 2 album cover. We didn't know what was coming, whether we were getting 1 song, 3 songs, a music video or not. And finally, I'm here to share you guys a lot of information that we gained, new clothing, new NOCTA potentially, and a lot more stuff. So we're gonna get into that in today's video. But of course, before we get any further in the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below. It definitely helps out the channel. Also, if you guys do want to see me go to Yorkdale and do a store vlog that will be posted tomorrow, you gotta subscribe, you gotta drop a comment, let me know you want that. Also, we did a little jewelry shopping video. Definitely stay on the lookout for that. Anyways, guys, let's hop straight into today's video. So kicking things off, we have Drake spotted in Toronto with a fan with the new NOCTA jacket. So now he's been seen wearing the black and the yellow. Honestly, the black one for me is still the best jacket. But anyways, I hope we do see that baby blue NOCTA puffer release, because after seeing it in the music video, everyone wants that jacket 10 times more now. And I've seen resale prices going for around $2,000 to $4,000 for the baby blue jacket, which is crazy. So hopefully we get a release date next year. Moving right along, speaking of that baby blue jacket, it's there in the back. Anyways, in the background, as you can see, we have Mark wearing NOCTA fleece. But look on his head. What is that, guys? That's a beanie. Now, if you take a look at the beanie, look at that check right there. It's the same sort of logo, shimmer, as the same logo on the t-shirts and the jackets, that same Nike swoosh with that same sort of style. Maybe we have some NOCTA hats, some beanies in our future, hopefully next year again with that baby blue puffer release. But anyways, guys, definitely want to point that one out. Next up, we have another great Drake selfie. He took this one down pretty quick though, so if you caught it, you caught it. He is wearing a pair of custom Jordan 1s. Let me know what you guys think of the fit down below. I also did want to talk about this shot from the music video. We have Drake, Oliver, Nico, and 40, the OG crew. We have Nico wearing an OG OVO varsity jacket. If you guys know that jacket, it's from Take Care and it is super, super rare. I've seen those jackets sell for like $6 grand. And then we have Oliver wearing the Script hoodie and the pants that released, I want to say a week ago, 2 weeks ago now. I was telling you, that drop was fire, the quality was fire. So if you guys didn't like it before, you might like it now, because really it is a great sweatsuit. Also, Drake wearing a Crew is actually dropping tomorrow. So you guys will see that later on in the video. I wonder if that will sell out pretty quickly because Drake did wear it. Who knows? But stay on the lookout for that. Alright, so I didn't get the chance to talk about the highlights from the music video last week, so we're going to talk about that now. First of all, we saw the NOCTA Hot Step shoes. I know we talked about the shoes before, but again, to see it confirmed by Drake in the video, this was the first time he's ever confirmed it. So this is pretty big, again, in that white colorway. We're still yet to see another colorway of the shoe, but again, this is drawing a lot more hype to the shoe, and also confirms that it is a NOCTA product. It's not Drake and Nike, it's actually titled NOCTA. So very interesting there. Let me know what you guys think. And in that same shot, Drake was wearing a Certified Lover Boy chrome heart hoodie. Now, if you get a close look at it, you can see the heart with the baby and the Certified Lover Boy with the chrome heart font. Let's just say, guys, if this ends up dropping, this is going to be a very, very, very expensive item. And honestly, I'd hope to see some sort of release. With the amount of times Drake's been wearing chrome hearts, we've been covering, it seems like chrome hearts on Drake for every single week now. He's been wearing something new from chrome hearts. And it'd be pretty cool to get an official collaboration. I was talking about this with a few of you guys. If this dropped, it would sell out instantly, and the hoodie would retail for like $600, maybe resell upwards of $1,500 to $2,000. This would be a crazy release if we got some t-shirts, hoodies, sweats. It would honestly make sense because we know Drake has very, very close connections with the Chrome Hearts family. So with that being said, definitely stay posted, because who knows, it could happen. Stay on the lookout. And so here is the Chrome Heart Rolls Royce, the full interior done in chrome hearts. Absolutely insane. This upgrade option is probably well over $100,000. We're still yet to see the outside of the car. They didn't show it in the video, which is pretty rare. I don't know why they didn't. But again, there it is, a sneak peek of the car. Next up, we got to talk about the NOCTA release. I know I just posted that video, and like the next day I woke up and saw that NOCTA delayed it again, which is insane. I have no idea why they're delaying it. It's dropped in the UK already. What's the point of delaying it here? something must not be ready. But anyways, it's now in April. I'm gonna have the exact date up on screen for you guys. Unfortunately, we have to wait longer. Alright y'all, and last but not least, we have the OVO drop list. Now Drake was seen wearing these 3 crew necks. In the last music video, we have it in white, blue, and black. Drake wore the black one. Let me know which of the 3 you guys like the best. Definitely would go with the black one if I were to pick one. Next up, we have the 3 windbreaker jackets with the matching pants. Now it comes in purple, green, and black. Again, comes in the same colorway for the pants. Very, very clean and a different sort of material we've seen, and a different material than what we're used to from OVO. So pretty cool, and I'm definitely curious to see how these fit and how they feel in person. Again, and how the reflection looks in the different lighting. So very cool. Let me know if you have your eyes on any of these sweatsuits. If I were to grab one thing, I feel like I would go with the black pants, just because I always need more pants, and maybe the purple ones, I don't know. But anyways, let's keep it rolling. We got the t-shirts. So we have 2 sets of t-shirts. We have these ones, as you see right here, with the owl, and then it has like the OVO in the background. Pretty cool. We're seeing that in white, blue, and black. And then we have the next set of t-shirts, which comes in white, yellow, and black. The black one is super, super clean. Again, these are $48 each. Let me know what you guys think in the description down below. And with that all being said, let me know if you enjoyed today's video down below. Let me know if you're grabbing anything from the drop tomorrow. Anyways, guys, follow me on Instagram down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.